Hello guys, welcome back to Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you MI versus RCB first match of 2021 IPL. Guys, watch the entire video, you will definitely get a better prediction in this video and you can make your own best SL team. Okay, so let's get into the video. Here you can see guys, AB de Villiers has a best strike rate and best average against MI bowlers, and here you can see he scored 720 runs, 726 runs almost against MI. So this is the best of AB de Villiers. So among all the players of RCB, AB de Villiers has a best records against MI. So definitely pick your in fantasy team. So definitely go with a captaincy or vice captaincy pick in your team as well. Okay, here you can see guys preview. Nearly 5 months of 2021 IPL has completed, and here you can see after that this is the first match of 2021 between MI and RCB going to held on Friday. So stadium వచ్చేసి Chidambaram Stadium. So here you can see guys, both teams have had their fairs. So guys, remember the thing what I saying now. So which are mentioned in color lines and which are bolded letters are the very important points in this video. So definitely clearly observe the points to get a better team for you. Okay, so here you can see RCB's Daniel Sams and Devdutt Padikkal has got coronavirus positive, and still now Daniel Sams not recovered, so he is not available for first game against MI. And here you can see Devdutt Padikkal also got coronavirus positive, but he has recovered and he played in nets also, so maybe he will going to play, but chances of playing in the first game was less. Let us see in the final. Okay, so here you can see guys, Adam Jampa won't available on the first game. So reason is that Adam Jampa recently got married, and so team respecting their players personal life, so that's why he is not available for some of the starting matches. So after that he will definitely available. From here you can see in MI dugout, Quinton de Kock might not feature in the opening game. So due to, as you know, there are some rules due to coronavirus, so he has to be quarantined some days. Okay, so that's why he won't be available in the first game. So maybe in his place Chrislin will be available according to my prediction. So let us see in the lineups out. Okay, so here you can see guys, match details. Match in Mumbai Indians versus Rajasthan Royals, first match of IPL 2021. Venue MA Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai. Time 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time and 2 p.m. Green Meridian Time. So where to watch live? So here are the two options to watch the live of IPL 2021: Star Sports 1 Network and here Hotstar. So guys, pitch report. This will be the crucial thing while we are going to create a team to get a win, to get a possible winning is mainly dependent on pitch report only. So listen carefully about this. So pitch report, Chepak Stadium has assisting the completely spinners from so many years. So great over the years, Chennai's pitch will be completely favorable to the spinners only. So by this point you have to pick most of the spinners in your fantasy team to get most of the fantasy points to beat your opponent. Okay, so average score in Chennai's Chepak ground is 146. So from past 8 T20s, 146 was the average, and record of chasing teams was 1-4 and last 4. So this was not the thing to get into your fantasy team prediction. So because there is a 50% of chasing team won and defending team won. So this was the prediction of pitch report. And here you can see guys, probable 11s of both MI and RCB. So here you can see MI probable 11: Rohit Sharma captain, Chrislin, Surya Kumar Yadav, Ishan and Kieran Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, Nathan Coulter-Nile or Piyush Chawla. So both of from both of these anyone can play. So here you can see Rahul Chahar, Trent Bolt, Jasprit Bumrah. Royal Challenge Bengaluru probable 11: Devdutt Padikkal might maybe he may not play because due to coronavirus. So there are chances of playing Devdutt Padikkal was less. So maybe another new player maybe play in his place. So let us see. So here you can see Captain Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Glenn Maxwell, and here you can see new players who has entered RCB into this year, Rajat Patidar and Mohammad Azharuddin, and Sachin Baby or Surya Prabhu Desai. And here you can see Daniel Christian, Washington Sundar, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal, Kyle Jamieson or Kane Richardson. So these are the both teams probable 11s. And here you can see guys head to head records. So overall 29 matches was played in between Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers, and 19 among the all matches are won by Mumbai Indians and just 10 of the matches won by RCB. So MI has an upper hand over the RCB by these points. At neutral venues, like you can see guys, Mumbai Indians won 5 and Royal Challengers won 5. So by this point you know that this is a neutral pitch for both RCB and MI, because this ground was not home ground for either RCB or MI. So this was the neutral pitch for both. So here you can see there are the advantages of both having winning percentage, both teams having 50-50 winning percentage of this match. So take your team as 6-5 probability or 5-6 probability, like that, so that your team will get some points and you have a balanced team. So guys, most of the probable best batsmen of the match will be going to be AB de Villiers, and he has a good strike rate as I said starting. And here you can see best bowler of the match will be going to be Jasprit Bumrah. Here you can see Jasprit Bumrah has an impressive spell against RCB. In 58 overs, he has picked 19 wickets completely. He is dominating RCBs with his Yorkers and his great bowling in power plays and death bowling. So take these players in your fantasy teams to strengthen your team. Okay guys. So to get full final teams, join our Telegram channel Accurate Fantasy. So just search in Telegram Accurate Fantasy to get the final teams and final updates, important news, so called every match prediction we will providing there. So nowadays and in future days there will be going to Accurate Fantasy will be the best prediction YouTube channel and best site in the fantasy journeys. Okay guys, so definitely do follow, do subscribe, do share, do like, and comment your opinions in videos comment section. Here you can see guys Dream 11 best SL team for this match. I will show you demo team for this match. So here you can see guys, I picked AB de Villiers and Ishan Kishan in wicketkeeper section and Devdutt Padikkal in batting section. From MI, Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav. Here you can see all-rounders Maxwell, Washington Sundar, Hardik Pandya and Chahal, Bumrah, Rahul Chahar. Guys, here you can see what I am doing in this team is, you can clearly observe that Washington Sundar is a all-rounder spinner and Glenn Maxwell is a all-rounder spinner. Yuzvendra Chahal is a well-known world's best spinner, and here you can see best spinner from MI. So I covered these 4 spinners just due to pitch conditions only. Chepauk Stadium offers best support to spinners, so you have to consist your team with most of the spinners, so you will get the most points. There is a chance of winning will be more. Okay, here you can see in the place of Hardik Pandya you can also take Krunal Pandya if MI bats second. Okay, if MI bats first, there will be chance of Hardik Pandya will be more to bat on, or if MI bats second, just you take Krunal Pandya in place of Hardik Pandya, because Hardik Pandya is a spinner and he is a well-known all-rounder also, so he may help to win you. And here you can see guys, maybe he won't play the first match, and so this is the just demo team according to prediction. So if you want the final teams, just join our Telegram channel to get the final updates. So this is the prediction guys. If you like the video, just like the video, comment, share, subscribe and do follow for best predictions. So throughout the IPL we will provide all matches predictions for free only. So do support, do follow, comment your opinion in comment section. Thank you.